right, this is getting a little out of hand. We've taken on quite a few new projects in the last few months, and though I'm not complaining, it's taken a toll on my ability to keep the garage straight. So I think today we're gonna have to go and just do a full garage cleanup. We're gonna be dropping a channel update soon to kind of bring you guys all up to speed on where everything's at and what's holding us up and what's left to do and what we're close to finished on. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm gonna have to move everything outside just to be able to get enough space to walk in here. So I think we'll set up some time lapses and hopefully we can get this place looking pretty again.